Hey, what is going on? David here. Today I'm going to do a wood carve sign for Father's Day. I'm going to make one for my dad. Also, if this is your first time here on my channel, welcome. If you like making wood signs or interested in the craft and other woodworking tools and projects, I would love it for you to subscribe. Alright, so I have these poplar boards I want to use. I'm going to glue them up together, cut them to length, and get a layout for it and do the carving. I'm going to try an inkjet transfer process. So let's get to it. Alright, so I just finished planing off that one edge, and there's no gaps, no light comes through it. So I'm going to glue these up, clamp them together. I'm going to use some Type Bond 2, water resistant, interior and exterior use. Just give it a good dab. Alright, clamps are off. I'm just going to cut it to length and do a quick sanding and transfer on the image. Alright guys, so I did a quick 100 grit sanding on here. Now I'm going to do the edge, do a little design on the edge, and then I'll put on the layout. Alright, so I have put in the round over bit, 3/8 inch round over bit, and then so I'm going to round over that whole edge. And on the back side I'm going to put on chamfer, put on my RZ mask and safety glasses. I'm going to switch over the router bit, chamfer, plug it, alright, chamfer bit's in. Alright guys, so the board is all prepped, ready. I'm going to go and print out the layout design that I want to do. I'm going to do it on this freezer paper. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get that freezer paper if you guys want to check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and print it out. I'm going to do it in reverse, so then when I lay it on here, it'll come out the right way. And I'm going to use this part of the base from the router to transfer out the image onto the board. Now first I need to get some tape, some blue tape ready. When I get back, I'm going to have it. I'm going to place it on here, tape some of the edges on there. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I printed it out. Let's see how this works. Here goes nothing. Alright, see how that came out. Very blotchy. Alright, so the ink came out very blotchy on the printer. So you can go with the lines that are on here, and then I'll follow this and trace out some better lines. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm not sure why the inkjet printer gave me these blotches like this. If anybody knows, it's a Canon PixArt, some Canon printer, fairly new. So not too sure what happened, but we'll make it work. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish outlining, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got some claw marks. This is right here in the bottom. So I got the SC50 in here. Alright, I have very low, under 1/8 of an inch. So I'm going to get these small areas first. Alright, let's do this. switch over to the profile bit. Alright, adjusted it to a 1/4 inch depth. Now I masked some of this off here, and I'm going to use some black lacquer. I'm going to do the edges and then the layout. Alright, now I'm going to spray some shellac. Alright guys, here it is. Oh, wait a minute. Carved my daddy tiger. That's his favorite animal. Alright, so I hope you found this fun and interesting. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to know when my next video is posted, and give this video a like. Alright, love you Dad. Happy Father's Day. Alright guys, I'll catch you later. Go ahead and check out this video here. My mom wood sign carving I did, and you can check out this one right here for my niece Penelope wood sign carve I did, and here's the subscribe button.